It's our 1 year wedding anniversary, so we thought what better place to visit than the most haunted place in Sri Lanka, Hunas Falls. The place is not just known for its waterfalls and its views, it's also known famously for its lovers' suicide point. So, nothing to laugh about. Such a serious matter, you know. So, yeah, I can see some lovers right there. So we got here yesterday, and yesterday was pretty hectic, courtesy of my wife. Where is she? Oh, we were supposed to leave at 8 and get here by 2, right? No, wait, 8 and get here by 10. But then we got here at 6 in the evening. 6:30 in the evening. It was mad hectic. Car also started eating up, and we had to stop the butter freaking what do you call it? Butter or it's a tube. Sorry for my language. The tube blew up. Then had to get that fixed, and we got so late. We left at 12 and reached here at 6:30. That's like 6.5 hours journey for a 4-hour journey. What do we have here? Some coffee. Da-na-na-na-na-na. So we'll be heading for breakfast now. Excited for food.
4 feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. Out there in the open, just a wishing and a hoping. I could smell the pines.
Only a bad feeling to go.
I think we should make a soup series with you, dude.
Took the seat next to mine, like you've been there before. I'm befriended.
Can you
The English is cringe.
probably go look at the dude?
So the hike begins. We're gonna give up in 5 minutes
No,
and
but
come
I'm
back again.
terrified of the beach, man.
There is no leeches.
Are you mad? That guy just said there is.
There's no such thing as beach. If you don't believe it, it doesn't exist.
At the end of my bed, in the palm tree lightning, there was nothing to do. I just felt more relaxing. Now we talk all the time. It's a weird one-sided.
This is actually a 2-hour hike. 1 hour up and another hour down. The tough part is the trail is not that hard. It was only like elevated for like 5 minutes and now we're just walking at a straight line. The tough part is the damn leeches, man. This place is filled with leeches. We actually applied this really special Dettol, a mixture of Dettol and garlic and I don't know what not to apply on our legs that near the waterfalls. So that way the leeches can get on you, but they slide right off or they don't bite you or some shit like that. Yeah, that's the hotel. That's the waterfall. That's where we started the hike. Uh-huh. Let's go. Finally made it to the summit. How do you feel? How was the hike?
Fine.
It wasn't that hard, right?
No, but I was super anxious about the beach.
Leeches. Hey, but you were pretty tired though.
Got a lot on you too.
Yeah, because I was taking videos and shit and I got messed up properly. I wonder where that suicide point is. I am මෙතන මොනාරි suicide point මොනාරි තියෙනවද? Suicide point කියලා. කොතනද තියෙන්නේ? මේකද? බීලා පැනලාද? බීලා අර කප් එක උඩට ගියා කියලා. බීලා එහෙම එන්න දෙනවද? couples මොන හරි ඇවිල්ලා එහෙම මතකද? හරි හරි. මං කලින් ඇවිල්ලා තියන්නේ මෙතන. මං හිතන්නේ 2019. අතනේකොට ඒ වෙලාවට තිබ්බ ගයිඩ් එක තමයි කිව්වේ ඒක. Crazy, huh? This is the point. Recently, some people have gotten drunk and then they've tried to stop the glass. Yeah, and they fell from right here. Are para?
Udam your body?
Oh, that's mad, huh?
It's your pain.
They fall from here all the way. Oh my God, thank you. Shit.
कितना मारू?
एक के निकले? What?
I was giving you pro tips to be.
That's all you will do.
Huh?
On our way down now. back from the hike. It was pretty nice. The summit was really nice. The views were pretty amazing. And then the hike wasn't that difficult either. So it was pretty worth it going there, the only thing was the leeches, you have to like wear long socks. We were wearing ankle socks, nothing to cover. We had leeches flying around, but thank God for that guide. He gave us that whatever the chemical he made up, and he gave us. So we applied it all over our leg, and then leeches just couldn't like pierce through. But I do have a leech did get through. If you can see that. One of the leeches pierced through, but throughout the entire hike, only one leech getting through. That's a big thing, huh? So we just got back to the room, freshened up, and while we were gone, we called the room service to come clean the room so that we can give a nice room tour. Because after yesterday's this thing, we were so tired, we just messed the whole room up after coming. So, time for a quick room tour.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe.
This is the Highlander suite. It's pretty nice. It has a really big living area. It has a kitchen, and I don't know, it has oven and shit. I don't know if that works or if that's just like an ornament. I really don't know if it works. And even the bedroom's pretty big, so it's pretty nice. We got it for a really reasonable price. We got it for like the same rate as normal rooms. So we got this room for actually 45,000 per night, double, full board. So that's pretty good price because the normal rooms are going for 45. Now we'll be going for lunch. The only drawback about this place is there's no hot water, man. They don't have a geyser. What they have is water comes from 6 to 8 in the morning. Oh wait, was it 8? No. 6 to 8 in the morning and 6 to 8 in the evening. What the hell? It was so cool to have a shower here, man. That's the only drawback, But everything else is nice. They said we are gonna have buffet for lunch. But now this guy came, knocked on the door, and he was like, gave us the menu to see its set menu. And then I was like, what the hell, man? Why is it set menu? He said buffet. And he was like, there are less people. So buffet, they are putting it for dinner instead of lunch. So let's see how lunch goes, and after lunch we will be swimming.
She had a star on her forehead.
Abdul and his soup series.
What is this soup, man? Seafood, cream of pumpkin. Good?
Some seafood soup, I don't know.
Seafood soup. What is so many vegetables, man? There's a seafood menu?
It's blended, dude. Just have it.
Who blends seafood, dude?
It's probably flavor. It's not.
Blended?
It's a cream, Jan. It's have. You should have taken chicken, na?
Should have stayed at home, man.
You wanna try mine?
How does this looks like shit, dude?
Just have it, it's good.
Look at this.
Yeah, I don't know.
What the hell is this, dude? It's so blunt, dude.
Dude, you're mad. Just go home.
How is it, man? The climate? It's so cold, huh? I still haven't gone completely inside. Before checkout, how was the whole trip for you?
I don't want to leave, man.
This is another place you don't want to
Yeah.
leave. Only lunch remaining. Last vlog of the day of the video actually. How much would you rate the hotel?
It's a solid 9.
Solid 9. The food?
Food
This
like
week is
7.
dude, this is gonna fall off, dude. The room. 7.
But the views are amazing.
Actually, until next time.